Dang, they got another Traverse right across from me. But like I said, I didn't bring no tools. I just need this right here. Oh, it's broke too. What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. And if you can see from the thumbnail, I think we done found my Buick Enclave that I built, put a new motor in there, and traded my stepdaughter. Then 30 days later, she gets in the car wreck and gets paid out $7,000 because the blue value for that car listed on Copart was $7,600. If y'all not new to this channel, but if you're new to this channel, we put another motor in there with 130,000 something miles, and so we made a trade for her husband's 2003 Monte Carlo SS that I no longer have because I fixed it and sold it. So, like I said, if y'all see the thumbnail, hopefully this is my bill and it has my Easy Rebuild sticker on it. So let's run up here to let's go across state line to Illinois, Blue Island that is, to one of my salvage yards that I used to go to and see if this is the one. So I'll meet y'all up there. So we out here in Blue Island, Illinois, LKQ. The car is supposed to be in row 50, space 24. We got people down there in row 50 space. So I'm gonna go down to row 51 and go down 24 spaces and come up behind her, see what's going on. Is this one of my builds? Hey, there's another Buick Enclave. Lane 1. I know I did come up here once. No, I went to the other one out in Chicago Heights and pulled a motor. That's the motor y'all seen in my garage. I never came way out here to this one to pull a motor, but I got a lot of Traverses and Buick Enclaves. I think I came up here and got a rim for my stepdaughter's Buick. And I'm still up here walking. I think I'm coming up behind her right now. Is that it? Because she got hit in the back, which totaled this car out again. And it is it. Y'all see that? Easy Rebuilds. Y'all see, still got the temp plate in the window. Somebody stole the hubcaps. But here she is. Still got the Shrek DVD in there. About to take that back home with me as a souvenir. Still even has the remote. Put all that back. Somebody took the key fob because you can't reprogram those. But yeah, I would pull the motor back out this bad baby. So they already did damage to her anyway. Nobody messed with the motor. Oh, they be doing damage when they get these cars in. Now y'all know if y'all watch the Buick, my Buick build was none of this damage on the car, was none of that damage. when she took the car, like all this side damage just from picking it up with the forks. That was there. They didn't take these caps. But y'all seen that, yep. She took a hit to the back, and that would totaled her on out. I never got to see the damage, but the exhaust is way up under there. I don't even see that much damage. Everything looked good to me. The frame rail is straight. So they totaled it out for the exhaust. The exhaust got shoved way up under the car. But she did take a hit to the back. She missing the lower valance. And the rear door. And some scrapes right here. And the cover that goes to the spare tire. But this is a shame. Just because she got hit in the rear. But it's not a shame for her. She got $7,000. I only paid $475 for this car. Y'all remember that all in? I was into it with $1,000 with that motor I got for $160 something from Pick and Pull. I didn't count the other motor that I bought here. It was $400 because that motor I still got. But I would like to get this motor, but I'm not spending another $400 just so I can have this motor back. So just in case I do get another 2008, because it's only 2007 and 2008 for this motor. 2009, they revamped the motor. So 2009 on up, I can use those motors, which I already got one. But 2008, 2007, I have no use for the motor. But it was a shame. But it was God's, I guess it was God's plan. Had to be God's plan for her to get in an accident to get that $7,000. Because she deserved it. Yeah, we got some pieces in here from that shroud. Like I said, she was clean. Look, still got the tire in the car. The other tire. Still in the car. They never did take the Firestone tire out that went to this car. Because I ended up getting a junkyard tire for the I didn't know that was down there. For the sensor. Like rip one of the visor covers off. Like I say, all this stuff's still working here. Everything here is still good. Seats are good. Everything is good. And she made it to the salvage yard. I saved her from coming here. And my stepdaughter sent her to her graveyard. She took that check and ran with it. Because y'all know what I do. I buy these cars and I bring them back. Well, I save them from the salvage yard. That's what I do. I try to save them. And I did good work on this car. Cleaned her up real good just for her to make it to the junkyard. I wasn't even looking for her. Somebody took the cover. But at least nobody messed with the engine. But I wasn't even looking for her. I was looking for a Buick Lucerne. And end up seeing this Buick Enclave, same color. Only could see in the back end on the picture was the B and the M. And I was like, well, you can run the VIN number. because they put the VIN numbers, but they put the VIN numbers in the description of every car. So I was able to cross-reference that VIN number with Copart, my Copart lot, my invoice, and here's the car. So I just wanted to bring y'all up here along with me to see what's the car, because I'm not gonna pull this motor. I might think about pulling the motor. I don't know, but damn, that's messed up right there. This car must have sat for a long time. 2005 Malibu. Yep, she sat for a long time. Got moss all on her. We got wasp nest in her. I can't believe it. I'm about to get some photo shots with this car, y'all. Give me some photo shots. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this thumbnail that y'all gonna see, cause I didn't bring no tripod. But y'all see this is what we do. I get builds, and I usually go to my neighborhood pick and pull motors, transmissions, whatever I need for my builds. But this lot is very big. They used to be way over there, but they're doing work on the bridge, so they moved all the cars this way, so they got less stuff to work on, because the city's taking over all that over there, so they can get back there. There used to be cars way back there. But y'all see that? Look at that. GMC Arcadia. They be handling parts. Somebody started, they dropped the motor down. That's it. Guess they didn't know how to pull it. And how I pick my motors. Well, this was an auction car. Listed as a drive, 153,000 miles. But that's how I pick my motors. I look for auction stickers in the windows. IAA, Copart, other auctions. And I can look it up. Like this one right here is a running drive from Copart with 239,000 miles. But that's how I pick my cars, what motors to pull. But yeah, see that? They got it all gated off so they can get under the bridge and do their work. All this used to be full of cars. All up under the bridge used to be full of cars. I just like coming up here, going up under the bridge, because you don't get rained on when you're grabbing car parts. But let me go get some pictures of this car. Got Chevy Aveo over here, but it's not the hatchback. Another GMC Arcadia, another Traverse. Oh man, I should have brought my tools, but because I need all these plastics. Oh, this one busted anyway. But I need one of these pieces of plastic. I found one. Today is not the day. I didn't come up here for all that. Another non-runner or no keys. Probably a non-runner, probably motor all seized up. Another one over here. I took our spark plugs out. So, and all that was wrong was that. Probably still ran. But that's how I found my cars. They got a lot of them too up here. They another Traverse. So I might end up having to go to LKQ in Chicago Heights and find me that that plastic cover for my burnt up Traverse. But it's starting to rain. So, and these bugs keep jumping on my glasses. So I guess it's time for me to start heading back. Y'all didn't see what happened. Now y'all got to see what happened up close to the Buick Enclave build. These cars always pop back up. Don't even be looking for them. It's like Cody's car popped up. The Malibu. I think I'm too many rows over now. You know, like his Malibu. Oh, no, I'm not. Like that Malibu popped up. And I was able to show the pictures. Dang, they're gonna traverse right across from me. But like I said, I didn't bring no tools. I just need this right here. Oh, it's broke too. But I do need one of these. And probably, nope, this front bumper trash. But it could be saved. It's got a couple of scratches. Better than my front bumper. I would take this one anytime. Oh, wait. Yep, I would take that one. I still need a front bumper. So, I'll catch y'all back at the house. And as everyone can see, I made it back to the castle. And it's raining. Can't do too much of no work when it's raining. And I work a full-time job. But I'm back with all my beauties. And you seen what happened to the Enclave. Seemed like every car, well, so far, a couple of cars I rebuilt, and my stepkids and my daughter got a hold to them, and they wrecked them. So, I think there's 4 cars wrecked already. 4 of my builds wrecked. They go to the junkyard, salvage yard, the crusher. And if y'all want to know, we had a I don't know what happened to the Chrysler 300, but my stepson sold that one. But my daughter had the 99 Chrysler Concorde, the flood car that we got back up and running. Go check those videos out. She totaled that within 2 weeks, speeding. Erica had the Ford 500. At least she had that for a year and kept crashing it before it finally got hit by a semi-truck. Then Cody had the Chevy Malibu, which he got rear-ended right up the street from the house. And now the Buick Enclave, rear-ended, and as y'all see, wasn't that bad of damage. All they needed was exhaust and the door replaced or repaired. So with all that, if you enjoyed this video of me going out to LKQ in Blue Island, Illinois, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. It'd be truly appreciated. We have merch at teespring.com, not like this. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. We might trade some cars. Go follow us on Facebook and Instagram. With all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!